Ed here with E5. I wanted to invite you all, or if you know somebody, invite them to our free home buying seminar. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to walk through the process of buying a home. So, this is really good for a first time home buyer, someone that's thinking about buying a home within the next 6 months, year, 2 years. It gives them the step by step process. So, we're going to teach them how to get started, down payment assistance if needed, how to apply for a mortgage, what to expect from the lender, how to find a home, how to make an offer, what to expect while it's under contract, inspections, what to expect at closing, and the move-in date. We're going to be holding this seminar March 9th, that's this Saturday, from 10:30 to 12. And we're going to be at the Little Elm Recreation Center. It's at 303 Main Street in Little Elm, Texas. So y'all come on out or send anybody out that you know that is interested in buying a home. Y'all have a great day.